Hello and welcome to my review on Swissquote. And Swissquote is a online bank in Switzerland, but it has brokerage arms in Dubai, London, Luxembourg, several other places, Malta, around the world, and therefore it should be thought of as a multinational. Now, Swissquote is a place where you can trade just about anything under the sun. And I really do mean that. So when you go to markets and products, you can see stocks, themes trading, ETFs, warrants and derivatives, options and futures, funds, cryptocurrencies, bonds, indices. It's insane the amount of marketplaces that they do offer. It's quite impressive. That being said, a lot of the Swiss dots, which is like the counter kind of like a CFD market, 9 Swiss francs, flat pricing funds, ETFs, etc. And some of the markets that they offer, it's way out there. So 60 different stock exchanges, but there's over 3 million products. So if you can't find it here, you're probably not going to find it. So there are a lot, like I said, of different markets that you could be involved. And with Forex, you can see that depending on what you're doing, it will greatly influence your minimum deposit on the account. Now, that being said, we're really not talking about massive barrier to entry here. So if you click on the discover our marketplace, what will you trade today? So you go on to Forex, and it's just insane what they offer. It's like 130 pairs, and they've got obviously the majors, the emerging markets. You can check out the trading conditions, download their guide. There's just so many of them. You can trade forwards. You can trade options, and this is just a handful of currencies at a glance. Dollar, ruble, pound, dollar. The CFD markets, the S&P 500, the Dow Jones 30, the DAX 30, etc. So at this point, you can already see just how over the top this is going to be as far as the amount of markets that are available. You can see the 15 different currencies that you can trade in. You can get yourself a Swiss IBAN containing your account number to simplify your transactions from overseas. There is the depositor protection scheme of up to 100,000 Swiss francs through the Swiss regulatory authorities, which of course they do fall under the auspices of. Leverage is roughly 1 to 100, depending on the pair that you're trading, but that's the standard, as it were. As we pull up the platforms, you can see that the MetaTrader ecosystem is there, but there's also the Advanced Trader, which is their in-house version. It's a pretty attractive looking platform. It kind of reminds me of eSignal a bit, like a desktop version of eSignal. Lots of different analysis and chart possibility, news, etc. From Bloomberg and Swissquote. There's also auto chartist, automatic pattern detection. So there is that as well. As far as funding is concerned, it is a little bit more limited in the sense that you have to do bank deposits, like wires, unless, of course, you have the securities already in your control. So, for example, if you want to transfer your 1,000 shares of AT&T, then you can do that right into your account. This is without a doubt a very professional brokerage firm. They handle institutional, and they handle funds. They handle other banks. So clearly, they can handle your account, and the deposit to open the account theoretically is zero, but depending on what you're trying to do, obviously you're going to have enough money to cover your trades. But like you saw in the Forex, minimum over there was 1,000. So that being said, it kind of depends on what you're doing. And with the literal hundreds of thousands of combinations in which you can be trading, there is no specific deposit amount per se. But Swissquote has been heavily regarded as one of the better brokerage firms out there in the European continent for some time. And with the availability of all of these marketplaces around the world, you can certainly see why.